Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest health topics and provide you with actionable insights for a healthier life. Today, we're going to discuss neuropathy, a condition affecting millions of people worldwide, particularly those with diabetes and individuals undergoing chemotherapy. If you or a loved one are struggling with neuropathy pain, stick around as we explore some promising supplements that might help alleviate your symptoms and improve your quality of life. Neuropathy can be a debilitating condition, characterized by nerve damage that leads to pain, tingling, and numbness, especially in the hands and feet. While conventional treatments are crucial, many people find relief through certain supplements, which can often have fewer side effects and offer additional health benefits. So, let's dive into the 8 key vitamins that may help manage neuropathy pain. 1. Acetyl-L-carnitine, ALC. First, we have acetyl-L-carnitine, or ALC. This compound is naturally produced by our liver and kidneys. Research indicates that ALC can improve nerve function and reduce pain for those with diabetic neuropathy. Additionally, it has shown promise in alleviating chemotherapy-induced neuropathy. ALC works by enhancing nerve regeneration and protecting nerve cells from damage. Supplementation can help replenish your body's levels and potentially improve your symptoms. 2. B-complex vitamins. Next, B-complex vitamins. These include B1, thiamine, B6, B12, and folate, B9. Each of these vitamins plays a crucial role in nerve health, metabolism, and sensory function. Deficiencies in B vitamins are common and can exacerbate neuropathy symptoms. For instance, B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers. You can find these vitamins in foods like meats, leafy greens, and whole grains, or take them as supplements. It's important to discuss with your doctor to avoid excessive intake, which can be harmful. 3. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is a potent antioxidant. It helps to combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, which can damage nerves. ALA also enhances the effects of other antioxidants, aiding in the reduction of inflammation and improvement of blood flow. These actions are crucial in managing neuropathy symptoms such as burning or stabbing pains. Studies suggest that sustained use of ALA can lead to significant symptom relief. 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral integral to numerous bodily functions, including nerve function. The Foundation for Peripheral Neuropathy highlights that magnesium may alleviate chemotherapy-related neuropathy symptoms. Magnesium supports nerve health by maintaining proper muscle and nerve function. It's found in foods like dark chocolate, nuts, avocados, and legumes. Supplements are also available for those who need an extra boost. 5. Calcium. Calcium, much like magnesium, plays a vital role in nerve health. It's essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. The Foundation for Peripheral Neuropathy suggests that calcium can help manage chemotherapy-induced neuropathy. You can find calcium in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. Supplements are also an option, especially for those who may not get enough calcium through their diet. 6. Glutamine. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in the human body. It's been shown to improve symptoms of chemotherapy side effects, including inflammation, muscle pain, and neuropathy. Glutamine supports immune function and helps maintain the health of the gastrointestinal tract, which can be beneficial during cancer treatment. Natural sources include wheat, barley, peanuts, corn, soybeans, egg whites, and milk. It's also available in supplement form. 7. Glutathione. Glutathione is a critical antioxidant that your body produces naturally. It's found in foods like okra, asparagus, and avocados. However, the body doesn't absorb it well from food alone, which is why some people choose to supplement it. Glutathione helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports detoxification processes. For neuropathy, particularly related to chemotherapy, enhancing your body's glutathione levels can be beneficial. Always discuss with your doctor the best way to supplement glutathione. 8. N-acetylcysteine, NAC. Finally, N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, is a supplement known for its antioxidant properties. NAC helps protect the neurological system from inflammation and damage, which is crucial for preventing and managing neuropathy. Additionally, research suggests NAC might benefit conditions like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases. Foods rich in NAC include lentils, beans, and bananas. As with other supplements, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before starting NAC. These vitamins can offer significant benefits in managing neuropathy pain, but it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.